Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July 4 to July the 7th. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell, no? Para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo ay nagre-release po, no, ng bagong video. And Sagis, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Kung gusto niyo po ng in-depth na reading na medyo mahaba-haba katulad po ng Gemini, i-click niyo po yung like button. Ang goal po natin is 200. So nakita niyo naman yun sa Gemini. It's twice or 3 times, no? Longer ng inyong videos, talagang in-depth. Pero, simulan na natin. Oh, wow. So, I'm seeing that meron tayong mga realization, no, dito sa ating relasyon. Whether it is a positive or a negative realization, it felt like we are being guided to be fully awakened, no? Ganun naman talaga eh. Sometimes meron tayong mga bagay na ginagawa din or decision, no? Feeling natin na makakabuti. But that learning, no? Parang priceless din naman. At the end of the day, parang hindi rin naman talo. Kasi saan ba natin matututunan itong mga bagay na hindi naman tinuturo sa atin sa school, no? One of those are probably trusting person. No, how can we trust a person by just looking at the person? Hindi naman sa pagiging judgmental, no? Pero kasi meron din talagang, um, have you been in a situation yung parang, ayoko lang sa kanya. Hindi ako galit, pero ayoko siyang friend, ayoko siyang I don't want to associate with the person again. Hindi ako galit. Ayoko lang na malapit sa kanya. Just because, hindi ko alam. Kasi hindi kami magka-vibe. No? Hindi ko makuha yung vibe niya. No? So, hindi naman masama din ang ugali ko. No? Ang sinasabi ko lang dito is, meron tayong mga bagay sometimes na natututunan, no, when it comes to life. Sometimes sarili natin din yung may gawa, no? Through experience. So when I'm trying to say it's still a win at the end of the day. Um, with the Nine of Swords and the Two of Cups. So bakit tayo nai-stress lately when it comes to our relationship? I think na hindi tayo nakakatulog. Meron tayong mga agam-agam, no? Uh, I think naapektuhan na rin yung mental health, especially dahil nga kasi hindi rin nakakatulog ng maayos, the Six of Wands and the Four of Cups. So I feel like meron dito mga plans, promises, that your person didn't fulfill, no? So, kumbaga sabihin natin na baka iniisip mo na nagto-toxic lang si person. Um, Siguro meron tayo dito assumption na baka hindi naman ako mahal ni person dahil nga meron siyang either ginawa or nasabi pero hindi naman niya na-fulfill. No? Madami siyang parang reason lately with the Queen of Wands and the Judgment. So ito na nga, kakasabi natin ng judgmental. Ayan, na manifest natin si judgment. Pero this is more of yung sinasabi natin kasi nagsalita ako, meron akong request, no? I said what I want in verbal form or it could be written, any form of communication, no? Pero parang nasabi din naman sa inyo na I will do it, no? So may pangakong hindi natupad, no? With the relationship connecting, I feel like yes, we may be emotional, as of the moment. But I think that this is a gateway, or the portal is opening for the both of you to understand each other a little better when it comes to either expectation or communication wise. Uh, Siguro iba lang yung understanding, no, ni person. Iba lang din yung pagkaka-deliver mo siguro. With the High Priestess and the Devil card, nako, bakit parang medyo instead of we are supposed to be balancing things, parang nakikita ko dito parang mas nagiging either controlling, that I'm not sure of if this is you or your person. You can search the energies anyway. Um, what I am reading in here is the dynamic po, no? At yung nangyayari. So let's check here. It's either the control or more of someone is becoming toxic, no? There is a toxicity that you somehow felt. Um, I think that you also wanted to see your person's real, or the genuinity. I think that this is one of the things na either this is an awakening, tulad ng sinabi ko, uh, either for you to make a decision of staying or moving forward, no? Uh, Mahal mo na kasi si person, the hangman, and the fool card. So, the energy here feels like there is a bold decision that the Sagittarius will do. This is also, sabihin natin, the universe is trying to um, calm you down, trying to somehow slow you a bit, but it felt like you are also not listening, no? Because there are either writings on the walls or red flags, no? But you're doing it anyway. I feel like the courage in here, no, is very strong. Nakikita ko rin dito na parang yung iyong pagka-innocence, no, is, are you feeling that you are being used or somehow sabihin nating nagiging nalilesen, no? Let's check the hangman in here, the Six of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. Huh. There's something that you are missing that you probably shouldn't give, no? Either it is monetary wise, whether it is your abundance, which is time, energy, effort, that's luxury, no? Especially sa panahon ngayon. Luxury na itong makatulog tayo ng maayos, which hindi mo naman nakukuha. Let's check what your person wants to say with you, no? Kasi parang hindi lang kayo talaga nagkakaintindihan dito. Either the action or yung understanding. So I also felt like there is, when it comes to maturity wise, no, the full card showed up. Medyo merong, sabihin natin, immature or hindi ganun ka bilis din ang kanyang understanding. I can't right now. What's the point of it all? Actually, yan yung nasa isip ko for some reason na I cannot make sense why it is. Para kasi ang taas ng energy, ang taas ng energy in a different way, heightened energy siya na parang nagtatampo ka, ayaw mo na kitang kausap, no? But I feel like guguluhin, sorry for the word, guguluhin, or you're gonna be bugged by your person, no? Medyo maganda lang siyang pakinggan in English phrase, pero ganoon din naman, guguluhin ka ni person, no, para makipag-ayos. Pero kasi yung galit mo, ayoko pa nga muna ngayon. Tignan nga natin dito yung message ng spirit guides, higher self, guardian angel, universe, whatever you want to call this entity, um, sit in silence for a moment and listen. The answer you have been seeking are finally coming to you. Truly trust and believe that you are going to make it and be exactly where you need to be. We are on this journey with you. Hang in there, it's not much longer. So, ang sinasabi dito ng message ng yung spirit guides is you have to either still continue or wait a bit. Ang sinasabi nila is hindi ka nila pinapabayaan kasi you are being guided. There's also something in here na very important na nasabi nila is yung mga sagot na kailangan mong malaman is actually parating na, no? That's why the realization or the awakening is already there, no? Uh, Maniwala lang tayo, no? Ah, nang walang pag-aalinlangan, no? Na makukuha natin yung sagot, maayos natin yung problema. We also need to listen, no, to our person before making any specific decision. Especially the full card is here. Medyo matigas ang ulo natin lately, no? So, tingnan natin. So, this is your reading. So, I think that the message in here is maayos ang problema, wag lang padalos-dalos ng decision, no? Dahil may mga bagay na kailangan nating antayin. I-balance din natin ang mga there's a lot of waiting in here dahil yung sagot, kung mahal ka ni person, kung nagagamit ka lang, no, is paparating na. Not longer, very, very soon, your realization is about to happen. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces, Aries, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Sagittarius, baka kapwa Sagittarius ito, no? So this is your reading, Sagittarius. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Sagis, pwede naman din po kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no? Meron po tayong link sa description box. Paki-follow na lang po. Either copy the link or click the link. Nandun po lahat ng information na how much per question, the QR codes, no? The modes of payment. And I also made a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.